Hello, today I'm in Hyundai Kona. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable auto lights. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side from the steering wheel. Right here behind it we've got this lever. To enable auto lights, twist the top part of the lever once upwards and the auto lights are enabled. You can see that on the instrument cluster right here. To disable it, simply switch this button to 0 position. Thanks to this lever you can also enable position lights, dipped beam and anti-fog lights. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.